Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are unraveling the secrets of singular and plural nouns in English. Let's explore how to form plurals, spot irregulars and master the essentials with us. Let's get started. Let's start with definitions. A singular noun represents just one person, place, thing or idea, like a dog, flower or student. Let's explore them with the help of some example sentences. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. A flower blooms in the garden. Each student has a unique perspective. This idea could change the project's direction. In contrast, a plural noun is all about more than one, like dogs, flowers, or students. It's simple but vital for clear expression. Here are some example sentences for our better understanding. The teachers explain the lesson clearly. Flowers bloom in the garden. All students have unique perspective. These ideas could change the project's direction. Now let's look at how plurals are formed. English usually follows straightforward rules like adding s or es, but we also have irregulars that need a closer look. For example, book becomes books and baby becomes babies by changing y to ies. But then there are surprises like man becoming men and child becoming children. I'll cover all these types so you will know just when to add s, es or use a whole new form. Some nouns don't have a plural at all. Words like information, furniture or equipment stay the same. Whether you are talking about one or many, just a few of these can make your English sound natural. Here are some examples. She provided valuable information. The gym has new equipment. He cooked some rice for dinner. She saved money for her trip. They bought new furniture for their home. He gave me good advice. Let's bring these rules to life with some examples. Notice how the sentence meaning changes with singular or plural forms. Here is another one with irregular plural. And don't forget nouns that don't change means nouns with no plural form. Keeping an eye on these patterns will help you use plurals naturally in your sentences. To help you master these rules, here are some tips. First, focus on regular rules like s and es. Then tackle irregulars like mouse, mice. Practice and look out for uncountable nouns that don't change at all. Also try using flashcards for irregulars or reading widely to see plurals in action. It's time for some quick practice. Can you turn city into its plural? And how about lift? Drop your answers in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box and challenge yourself to spot the patterns. That's it for today. I hope this gives you a fresh look at singular and plural nouns. Small details can make a big difference in your language skills. So keep practicing. If you like this video, do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit that bell for more insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.